Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. It's that time of the year where we all love to spring clean. My girls deep clean their room and I will leave the link down below for their video. Please go and check it out and show them some love. But in this video, today I'm sharing some easy tips and hacks which I use to help them deep cleaning, and I'm sharing some easy DIY project as well which help them organize. So let's go and see what we did here. For deep cleaning, my first tip is to take out absolutely everything from your closet. In this way, you can easily see what needs to be donated or what needs to go back in your closet. And in this way, you can easily clean each and every nook of your. Then you need to rethink about your system. You might need new organizing bins or organizing system for this new setup. Then clean each and every part of your closet. I'm using 50-50 solution of vinegar and water and cleaning each and every part of the closet. And if you're planning to relocate your furniture, this is the best time of the year. You can clean from underneath and it will freshen up your room. And by following the same procedure, we did Elmira's room as well. It was so much fun and laughter, but in the end, it was so worth it. And then I was following the trend as well. So I took their trouser, I fold them into thirds, and then fold it one more time and then slide it into the drawer. So this is a Konmari method or a Marie Kondo's way of cleaning and organizing. So I did all their trousers this way. They are visible and they look so presentable as well. For Elmira, we did her tank tops, trousers, skirts, and even her pajamas, and they both are loving this. One thing which makes girls' room messy are their accessories, pony bands, ribbons, necklaces, bows. So for that, I made this DIY. I had this shelf on hand. Instead of recycle, I thought to upcycle it. I bought these ribbons from Dollar Tree, and according to her room decor theme, and then with the help of glue, I attach it to this handle. And then I alternate the colors. You can use whatever color or whatever ribbon you want to use on your girl's room. And after gluing on the top with the glue gun, I just glued the edges as well so the ribbon's thread won't come off. And then I took these hooks, and then according to the package instructions, I first hammer it a little and then screw them in for extra necklaces and hanging stuff. Then we drill it onto the wall, and then they arrange all their bows, clips, even nail colors, and all the accessories are on top of their place. It's visible, it's organized, it looks beautiful, and hopefully they can get ready on time. And then there was this desk and a vanity which needs to be organized as well. So I did the same thing. I cleaned absolutely everything out from there, wipe it off, and then took their accessories out. And then I bought these organizers. I bought these acrylic drawers and this little craft organizer. Both are from Dollar Tree. So I used the craft organizer for their little earrings, the backing, and little things. And for big packs, like earring packs, goes in these drawers, and their bracelets and all those big items goes in there. The best part of these drawers are they are stackable and everything is visible and they look cute on the drawer and all on top of the vanity as well. Then I bought these two other organizers from Dollar Tree as well for their watches, little clips, bracelets, whatever was in the pouches before, it's right there. It's visible, it looks pretty, it's organized, and it will help them get ready faster, hopefully. Deep cleaning is proven to be a de-stressor. It helps you breathe better and improves your mood. I try to do it at least once a year around Ramadan, which are right around the corner. If you like to see more organizing or cleaning videos, please let me know in a comment down below. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more videos like this.